This is exactly how you can set up Reddit inside your n8n workflow. So the first thing you need to do is add a credential. Right here, I already have one, but if you don't, just click on Create New Credential, and it's going to bring you to this page. Now, the next thing you need to do is visit this website. The next thing you need to do is to visit this URL. I'm going to leave that URL in the description. And on this page, you're going to create an app. Right here, we already have an app created, but if you are new, all you need to do is click on Create Another App. Here, you're going to name the app. You can just say test, and then you can add a description. For the URL, what you want to do is go back to n8n, and you're going to copy this OAuth redirect URL. And go back to the Reddit page, and you're going to you're going to paste that URL right here. And then you're going to click on I'm not a robot. And then you're going to hit Create App. Once you have your app created, all you need is two things, client ID and the secret key. For the client ID, you can find that right here. Okay, so copy it. Come back to n8n and paste that right in here. The same thing goes for the secret key. Once that's done, you will hit Connect My Account and you will hit Allow. Once the connection is successful, you will see this right here. Now that you have connected Reddit inside your n8n workflow, in the next video, I'm going to go over exactly how to set up this entire workflow so you can research the popular things people are talking about on subreddit forums to come up with engaging YouTube ideas.